Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to talk about the top stocks that Arkk bought during this crash. So if you don't know what to invest in, I will give you some good ideas here and this might help you to take a decision. In my personal opinion, these are great stocks that I also purchased because I knew that these prices might be our last chance before the new rally, or before they start coming up again. Well, let's start. And remember, if you like my videos, you can hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, so you can support my channel and I can create more content like this. So thank you for your support. And remember that you can copy my portfolio in Etoro. I leave the descriptions in the I leave the link to the register for free and start copying me in the description. So let's start. So I just copied really quick here in Google Sheet the main stocks that they were purchasing during this crash. I did an estimate how much they bought. So this is not 100% accurate, but it will be an estimate of how much they spent on each of these stocks. And I'm going to give you from my point of view the top stocks that they purchased during this crash. So the first stock that I want to talk about is Square, which delivered awesome numbers in the last 4 quarters. And that after their earnings report, the stock came down to like around a 20 or 30%, which Arkk took advantage of and bought a lot of Square stock. We can see that in the last few days, like from February 24 to 26, they bought is when they invested heavily in this stock. So it was roughly $240 million, and this was in the last few days. So I would say that this is one of the stocks that is in a good point right now to purchase. Remember, if you like my videos and would like me to do more insights on each one of these stocks, you can just hit the like button or comment, and feedback will be appreciated. So let's continue. The next stock is Teladoc. They have purchased roughly $250 to $60 million, and this stock just in the last few days. They have been investing heavily as well in the last 2 days. They purchased a lot of stocks of Teladoc. After dropping from $292 to $219 is definitely a good point of entry. I personally don't like too much this stock, but if you like this one, I think it's in a good point also. So basically almost $260 million invested on this stock from Arkk. So let's continue. The next stock is Spotify. They purchased around $270 million of this stock during February. We can confirm that information here. Basically, they have been investing really heavy in this stock. So I think after this drop, it is a good point of entry. So I purchased myself some stocks from Spotify as well for our portfolio on Etoro. So almost $270 million in Spotify just in February, I think is something. Definitely is something. So this is another stock we must keep an eye on. They might have their own reasons why they believe that Spotify can scale in the future, but that's for another video. Let's continue. Well, and the next spot is for 2 companies. My estimates calculates that they invested pretty much the same for Shopify and Palantir during this month, during February, almost $280 million on Shopify and Palantir. And I think it's the right movement for Palantir, since in the last report they say that they expect their revenue to grow to almost $4 billion by 2025. So this is something that I think that they took in consideration, and also all the conference in the last earnings report was really good, excited for all the things that they are planning, which we can also make a video about that. I can give you my insights and my thoughts about Palantir. So remember to hit the like button if you like my videos, so I can create more content like this. But yes, this is 2 stocks that they almost purchased the same amount of money during February. They have been purchasing almost $280 million in each. I kind of understand that. It makes sense. Shopify has a great future with all this e-commerce growing, and Palantir with the AI, the cloud, data centers, and a lot of data visualization, etc. So this is definitely 2 stocks that we might want in our portfolio. So let's continue and let's check which is the first place under tradings for February. And of course, the first place is for Tesla. They purchased almost $500 million in Tesla stock just in February. I mean, that makes sense. It's a company that has a lot of potential. Which other company has a CEO that is owner of a space company, an AI company, energy, and the list continues. So this is not just a car company, it's a software, and this is a technological company. So we cannot compare Tesla to other car manufacturers companies. So this is definitely, for that reason, is our main hold. I mean, it's our first position in our portfolio. It has a bright future and a lot of potential. So I was kind of waiting for this. I'm pretty sure that they were going to buy this deep for Tesla. It was a great opportunity, and if you haven't bought this stock, I think that you should definitely have it on your portfolio. So, well, guys, let me know what you think about this. If you like my video, remember to support my channel. I'll be creating more content like this to help you to take decisions on your investments. Or if you don't want to stress, you can just copy my portfolio. It's totally free, and you will have a more diversified portfolio if you are just starting investing. We are really confident about our portfolio, and this is a great opportunity right now in during this crash to invest. So hope you like the video, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.